This is no weather radio, all hazards for southeastern New Jersey. Station KHB 38 from Atlantic City, New Jersey, on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northeast Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey and northeast Delaware. Today and tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible across New Jersey and Pennsylvania, and parts of northern Delaware, which the National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 600, effective until midnight. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Harbin, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Northampton, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in Delaware: Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 40 nautical miles; Chester River, Choptank River, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island to Drum Point, Maryland, Eastern Bay, and Patapsco River. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to No Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is No Weather Radio, all hazards for southeast Pennsylvania and the nearby areas. Station WNG 704 from Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.4. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, York County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of York to near Mill Creek, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, York, Mill Creek, Willow Street, Heidelberg, Elizabethtown, and Mountjoy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio, all hazards from the National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania. This is station WXL 40, broad. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gettysburg to 5 miles west of Harrisburg to near Cold Spring to near Tremont to near Pottsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gettysburg, Harrisburg, Pottsville, Cold Spring, Tremont, Eldred, Hershey, Hummelstown, Middletown, York Springs, and Bendersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Woodbury, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Berlin, Media, and Chester. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north-central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west-central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4 p.m. At 3 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Paulsboro, or 8 miles southwest of Gloucester City, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Camden, Gloucester City, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Belmar, Woodbury, Berlin, Paulsboro, Magnolia, Westville, Woodbury Heights, National Park, Brooklawn, Audubon Park and Earlton Ellisburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Newcastle in northern Delaware, north-central Kent County in central Delaware, east-central Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Broomall to Wilmington to Brentwood, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts, and ping-pong-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect intensive tree damage. Numerous power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Vineland, Moville, Bridgeton, Middletown, Elkton, Cumberland, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Camden, Cherry Hill, Hammonton, Pennsville, Belmar, Woodbury, Pittman, Clayton, Carneys Point in Berlin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. While a tornado is not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is No Weather Radio KIH-28, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz from Philadelphia. The tornado warning for north-central Gloucester County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been cancelled. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and northern Delaware and the adjacent coastal waters. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northwestern Camden and west central Burlington counties. At 3:21 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located along the Camden-Burlington County line near Evesham, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Camden, Gloucester City, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Voorhees, Lindenwold, Belmar, Berlin, Earlton Ellisburg, Haddon Heights, and Collingswood. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you tornado emergency for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., two confirmed large and very destructive tornadoes were located in southeastern Montgomery and Delaware counties. The first was near Norristown, the second near Chester. Both were moving east at 65 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. This is a potential mass casualty situation. Take cover immediately. Hazard: deadly tornado and 3/2-inch diameter hail. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. At 4:13 p.m., a tornado was headed toward the Limerick nuclear power plant. This is a life-threatening situation. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Skyscrapers will be heavily damaged. Well-built homes will be swept from their foundations. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Chester, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, Norristown, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Phoenixville, Lindenwold, Berlin, West Berlin, Winslow, Media, Philadelphia International Airport, Northeast Philadelphia Airport and Gibbsboro. To repeat, a large, violent, and very destructive tornado is on the ground. Take cover immediately. Move to a basement or a storm shelter now. If no shelter is available, evacuate immediately. A very large tornado is on the ground, heading toward the Limerick nuclear power plant. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 609-261-6600 or to your nearest law enforcement agency. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A radiological advisory is being issued for residents within a 10-mile radius of the Limerick nuclear power plant for a partial meltdown of reactor number 2. A large tornado ripped through the area yesterday afternoon, causing extensive damage. Due to the possibility of radioactive materials being released, a voluntary evacuation for residents within a 10-mile radius of the Limerick nuclear power plant is encouraged. Have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Tie a visible sign like a white towel or cloth to show local authorities that you have evacuated. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets for the latest information on this dangerous situation. Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear power plant warning is being issued for residents within a 50-mile radius of the Limerick Nuclear Generating Station due to total meltdown of reactor number 2. A large tornado ripped through the plant yesterday evening, causing radioactive materials to be released. This evacuation includes the following counties: Montgomery, Bucks, Delaware, Philadelphia, Chester, Berks, Camden, Burlington, Gloucester, Lancaster, Schuylkill, Lehigh, and Lebanon. The surrounding flooding has made the water contaminated and is turning a glowing green color. Also, more storms are developing over the area and has caused the sky to turn green, and the rain will drop radioactive materials back to the earth. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is a nuclear emergency for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Stay tuned to know weather radio or commercial radio for further details on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A large fire has occurred at the Limerick Nuclear Generating Station reactor number 2. Black smoke is spewing out and is blowing toward the north and east, while white smoke is blowing toward the south and west. This is the same nuclear reactor that was damaged by the large tornado yesterday. Radiologists are stating that the smoke is spreading as far away as Salem, New Jersey, and to the PSE&G Salem nuclear complex. Stay tuned to commercial radio for the latest information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCAU. We will continue to serve the Philadelphia metro area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Philadelphia metro area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Limerick Nuclear Generation Station has exploded. The combination of the shockwave from the explosion has caused a chain reaction of other plants in select locations. This includes PSE&G Nuclear Complex near Salem, New Jersey, Indian Point Nuclear Power Plant in Buchanan, New York, Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Station near Toms River, New Jersey, Calvert Cliffs Nuclear Power Plant near Lusby, Maryland, Beaver Valley Nuclear Power Plant near Shippingport, Pennsylvania. 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station near Londonderry, Pennsylvania. Pilgrim Nuclear Power Plant near Plymouth, Massachusetts. Sheeran Harris Nuclear Power Plant near Raleigh, North Carolina. McGuire Nuclear Station near Charlotte, North Carolina. Turkey Point Nuclear Generating Station near Homestead, Florida. And Joseph M. Farley Nuclear Generating Station near Gotham, Alabama. Any and all residents within a 600-mile radius of these plants should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear material. Prolonged exposure can lead to certain death. Have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Tune to 778. This is an emergency action termination. This is an all-clear message for the United States. You may now exit your shelter. I repeat, this is an all-clear for the United States. You may now exit your shelter. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. This no-weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate no-weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. The radioactive clouds have dissipated from the atmosphere, and the radioactive materials have been cleaned and picked up. FEMA would like to thank everyone for their cooperation during this tragic event. The emergency action notification that was issued yesterday has been lifted. You may now exit your shelter. Again, the emergency action notification has been lifted.